Well, I'm used to punching bullock teams across the hills and plains, and I've teamed out back these 40 years in blazing droughts and rains. I lived a heap of trouble down without a bloomin' lie, but I can't forget what happened me 5 miles from Gundagai. 'Twas getting dark, the team got bogged, the axle broke in two. I lost me matches and me pipes, so what was I to do? The rain came on, 'twas bitter cold and hungry too was I, and the dog he shat in the tucker box 5 miles from Gundagai. Some blokes I know has stacks of luck no matter how they fall, but there was I, Lord love a duck, no blasted luck at all. I couldn't make a pot of tea nor get me trousers dry, and the doggy shat in the tucker box 5 miles from Gundagai. I can forgive the blinking team, I can forgive the rain, I can forgive the dark and cold and go through it all again. I can forgive me rotten luck, but hang me till I dies, I can't forgive that bloody dog 5 miles from Gundagai.